Hello everyone. In this video, we will be learning about BPL Lewenstein ELISA 300 ventilator, a versatile German product. ELISA 300 is capable of delivering tidal volume from 20 ml up to 2600 ml. It comes with an expanded mode package supporting invasive, non-invasive, and high-flow oxygen therapy for all patient categories. Shortcut keys are also provided for frequently used functions like nebulization, automatic suction routine, loops, PEEP finder, etc. ELISA 300 represents an innovative ventilation platform for present and future medical applications. With its state-of-art 12-inch touchscreen, ELISA 300 enables wider viewability of patient analytics. The agile user interface with configurable screen displays elaborate data which is just a finger swipe away. The instant view technology gives you an intuitive grasp of patient situation, trends, and necessary interventions. Let us now have a closer look at ELISA 300 ventilator. Gas supply connection. ELISA 300 can be connected to the central oxygen gas outlets. High-pressure color-coded hoses supply standard oxygen. Power cord connection. A 2-meter long 2-pin power cord provides easy reach of power plug source. Battery compartment. Hot, swappable 2-battery compartment enable longer backup time supplied with lithium battery. Its backup time is for 2 hours on fully charged battery. Other port connections. These ports are used for volumetric EtCO2 sensor module connection, interface to PDMS, that is Patient Data Monitoring System, DVI-D, USB, Ethernet upgradation to mesh nebulizer interface, to software patches and calibration. Mains on switch. This is the machine on switch. It's a one-way switch and does not allow to switch off just by pressing. This smallest detailing shows that the patient safety is of utmost importance. A 12-inch high-resolution color touch display control that is tiltable up to 35 degrees. Its unique design enables inspiratory valve block along with expiratory valve and sensor block to be easily removed and sterilized. A trolley assembly with holder to mount heater humidifier assembly. Support arm. This articulating arm can be used for hanging the breathing circuit. On the right side of the machine, air inlet turbine filters out the atmospheric air. Maneuvering handle for movement of the machine. Press the master control switch to switch on the device. The unit will boot up with the power test and will ask you to select between adult and pediatric patient category. Against selection, system test is needed to do a complete self-test indulging proper assembly of breathing system, functioning of all sensors, power supply voltage, etc. Once all the self-tests are successfully completed, it will enter the standby page. At the end of each test, a confirmation of test pass with the test result will be displayed. In case of an emergency, user can select skip test, enter the standby mode and start the ventilation. A detailed pictorial representation of inspiratory and expiratory valve or sensor assembly are provided. After completing all the tests, user will enter standby mode. Here, user will have the following options to select. Type of ventilation, new patient with ideal body weight calculator and ventilation mode. If no input is given, then the ventilation can be started with default settings. Press the start button and enter to initialize the ventilation. The screen is mainly divided into 5 zones: ventilator control, monitoring of patient numeric parameter, waveforms and loops, alarm message area, shortcuts and dynamic lung contour. The main screen will continuously monitor important parameters such as expiratory tidal volume, inspiratory tidal volume, peak airway pressure, minute volume, FiO2, PEEP, plateau pressure, I/E ratio and frequency, ETCO2 leakage. More parameters like loops, weaning protocols, work of breath data with adaptive graph, resistance, compliance, inspiratory-expiratory flow can be seen by swiping the screen. ELISA 300 can display up to 4 waveforms simultaneously in different color. Waveforms are user configurable by long press on the screen. ELISA 300 feature visual and audible alarm as per IEC standard. Alarms are categorized into 2 levels: high priority alarms and indicative alarms. It can be differentiated by looking at the alarm lights or messages and hearing the alarm tone. High priority alarms are shown in red color with longer tones so that it immediately captures users' attention. Indicative alarms are shown in yellow color and has a shorter alarm tone. The eye-catching traffic light on top of the display will alert the clinicians at a distance. By pressing the trend icon, all the recorded alarms trends can be viewed with time and date. Precise, robust and maintenance-free flow sensing technology along with a powerful turbine technology in ELISA 300 enables maximum peak inspiratory flow of up to 300 liters per minute for up to 40,000 hours at 46 dB. Also, ELISA 300 can measure expiratory data of all patient category without physically changing it. In addition, ELISA 300 can also be used in various modes of operation depending on the patient need. HFOT mode, WOBOV mode, and adaptive mode, CPR mode, non-invasive ventilation in all modes. Features include inbuilt nebulization, PEEP finder and lung recruitment, automatic suction routine, fast wean and fast protect. Thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe.